Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace BMW X2 wiper blades. First, make sure your car is safely parked with the engine off. To begin, you need to put your wipers into service position. Turn the ignition on, then immediately turn it off. Now, push and hold the wiper stock up for about 10 to 15 seconds. The wipers will move to a vertical position, allowing you to easily access them without hitting the hood. This simple step makes the entire process much smoother. Now that your wipers are in service position, it's time to remove the old blades. Gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into place. Look closely where the wiper arm connects to the blade. You'll find a small release clip or button. Press this clip and carefully slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on the specific attachment type. Remember to hold the arm firmly so it doesn't accidentally snap back and damage your windshield. With the old blade removed, let's install the new one. For your BMW X2, the driver's side typically uses a 24-inch blade, and the passenger's side requires a 20-inch blade. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the arm's attachment point. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm. You're almost done. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn your car's ignition back on. To return the wipers from service position, simply push the wiper stock down once. The blades will cycle and settle back into their normal resting position. Finally, activate your wipers briefly to ensure they operate smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free view. Great job! You've successfully replaced your BMW X2 wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.